Hi everyone, it's Shem. Here's a short video of how to fit a aftermarket skid plate onto a Honda CRF250L. I decided to go for the Moose Pro skid plate. From what I've read on the forums, it doesn't rattle as much as the aluminium ones, although I've never experienced it myself. The consensus was that plastic skid plates are quieter, so that's one of the reasons why I went for it. And another one, which is actually more important for me, is the weight. The plastic skid plates seem to be 40% lighter than most of the aluminium ones that I've looked at. So this is how you go about fitting it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to remove the factory fitted skid plate by removing these two bolts here and by sliding it out of the little cavity towards the end of the bike. So I will start with that. Okay, so we've now offered up the skid plate to the bike, and it's being held by that lip on the back of it. The fit is pretty nice. We're gonna have to secure it further with those two bolts that we've previously removed. However, we're gonna replace this with the bolts that came with the skid plate. They're a little bit longer to accommodate the spacer, and they also have a washer to prevent that bolt from eating into the plastic. I'm gonna put a drop-off Loctite on them just to make sure that they don't come off from vibrations, and I'll probably torque them to, considering the size of the thread, to 9 Newton meters, and this is pretty much job done. So this is how this skid plate looks fitted. I quite like the fact that it protects that bit of the engine casing. There's a bit of an extra protection, so I'm quite happy with that. And then if you look at other side, that's got a bit of a lip on that side as well, so it should hopefully protect the engine casing if I drop the bike a little bit too. But I'm gonna look at potentially getting some engine crankcase covers as well, but we'll see about those. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just post them in the comment section below the video. All the best.